Okay, so here's the update.
Welcome to noprosrc.
Enemies.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have the Traxxas Slash on the Mac. I bought this Traxxas off of Facebook Marketplace. Ran it for about, I think, just one time. And then this motor here that I just took out burnt up at the track. Yeah, it started smoking, and that's a wrap for this motor. So I thought I bought another Titan 12T to replace it, but I can't seem to find it. I'm not sure where I put it amongst all the stuff here. I do have this Castle motor here and ESC. I was thinking maybe just to put this in there, but I'm not sure if it'll work. But we're about to find out, so let's just see. Okay, so here's the old motor. Here's the new Castle motor with my favorite color green. This is censored. I don't know if this will work, if this Castle will work with this ESC, or do I have to use the Castle ESC? Decisions. This is the stuff you have to deal with when you're no pro. But hey, we're all about learning in this channel. Yeah, so let's just install it and see what happens. Before I install the motor, I think what I'm gonna do is charge up the battery and make sure it actually functions. I also gotta find the receiver. That way I don't install everything and then it doesn't work. And I still may try to find my spare Titan to put in there just in case this doesn't work, because we have a bashing event coming up this weekend that I don't know if I'm gonna stream live or just show you guys the video. I still have to figure that out, but stay tuned for that.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here's the update. I didn't go with the Castle motor. This little Revo from Traxxas was having some issues that I haven't figured out yet, but the motor in it, it's still good. So I took the motor out of it and put it in the Slash. There's the old Slash motor. So we're gonna go with this to go bashing on Saturday, and you guys will just have to stay tuned for that video. I probably will do it live on YouTube. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it on TikTok or not. I'm still debating. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, you can go to TikTok under no.pros.rc and you can follow us over there. And if you're not following us here, you should follow us here and turn on your post notifications so you know when we post videos and go live. So yeah, that way you're covered on all bases. Let me finish getting this motor in, get the battery and everything connected to it, and make sure everything's good, and we'll be ready to go for Saturday. Okay, as you can see, I got it back on there. It's pretty much flush. Now it's time to plug her in and see if the wheels spin and see if these gears spin without anything falling off. Let's do this. I say she's ready for bashing. Let's go. Got a little reverse action going. I think we're ready for Saturday, guys. Only thing left is to put the cover on this and make sure this battery, I'm gonna run through it and then charge it up again, take it outside for test, and we gonna be ready. Let's do it.
Watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.